Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a description using AI in Oracle Integration Cloud, step by step. Whether you are a new to OIC or looking to speed up your integration documentation process, this demo will be super helpful. First, log into your Oracle Integration Cloud instance. Then click on the hamburger and menu and click on Setting. Click on AI Engine. Here, you just have to add a new AI engine. I'm entering a name, and choose OpenAI ChatGPT 4. And now, how you get that API key? For that API key, you just have to search for a ChatGPT API key and click on the first URL which you are going to show platform.openai.com/API key. Here, you just have to create a new secret key for the integration. Now, enter any name and click on create. Now your secret key is created. This secret key is only useful when you have a paid version of ChatGPT. And now go back to your AI engine and enter API key and click on set as active engine. Click on add. Now you can see demo underscore AI underscore engine underscore 02 is active now. Now you just have to go to the design and click on integration. Now click on create and create a schedule integration. Just enter a name and create it. Click on this setting icon and click on the generate. This will automatically generate a description for you with the help of OpenAI. And click on save. Now you already know how to use AI for description. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more OIC tutorial and automation tips. Thank you.